Maxis Communications Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Maxis' plans and services are in the description. Let's dive into the review. Maxis is one of Malaysia's leading mobile operators, known for its wide-ranging network coverage and innovative services. Offering a variety of prepaid, postpaid and data-only plans, Maxis caters to both individuals and businesses with flexible options. Maxis stands out with its 4G LTE network, which provides fast speeds across most of the country, along with its ongoing efforts to expand 5G coverage in major urban areas. Maxis also offers bundles that include home broadband, TV, and other digital services for those looking to consolidate their telecom needs. Maxis' strengths are rooted in its strong network coverage and high-speed internet, making it a solid choice for users who value a reliable connection. Its 4G LTE network provides excellent download and upload speeds, which is ideal for users who frequently stream, game, or use heavy data applications. Additionally, Maxis is one of the leaders in the early deployment of 5G in Malaysia, offering faster and more reliable connections where the service is available. Maxis' customer service is another strong point, with easy access to support through their mobile app, online or in-store. For business customers, Maxis also provides tailored communication solutions and cloud-based services, making it a popular choice for enterprise users. On the flip side, Maxis can be more expensive than some of its competitors in the Malaysian market. While they offer great coverage and speeds, their plans tend to be on the pricier side, especially for users who don't need the extensive data or added services in their plans. Some users have also noted that the 5G coverage is still limited to select areas, so if you're outside major cities, you may not benefit from 5G speeds just yet. So is Maxis the right choice for you? If you're after fast speeds, reliable coverage, and top-notch customer service, Maxis is an excellent choice. However, if you're on a budget or don't need all the extra features, you might want to explore more affordable alternatives. Be sure to check the links in the description for Maxis' latest offerings. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights.